you're a designer freelancing in 2023, you have to check out these 4 productivity and business tools. Number 1, To-Do. To-Do is my to-do list app of choice. It's very, very simple. There are no bells and whistles, but it helps me to really get things done and spend less time planning and more time actually doing my to-dos. Your to-dos can roll right over to the next day if you don't finish them, and you even get this satisfying little cat emoji gif whenever you finish all of your to-dos for the day. Number 2, Loom. Loom is what I use to record my screen whenever I make content, but more importantly, as a freelancer, I use Loom to walk my clients through designs and then share them asynchronously. They can leave comments right here in Loom, or they can also just reach back out in Slack or via email with their comments. But either way, it's a really great way to share video that you either upload or record on your screen. You can record your face actually speaking or just a voiceover, or you can even just record really quick snippets of your screen itself. Number 3, Found. Found is my business bank and invoicing tool all in one. I'm on the completely free plan, and it is so much better than any other invoicing tool I've used. I love the design of it. As a designer, that makes a big difference to me. It's extremely intuitive, and there are no fees associated with it for my business bank account, which I've run into with other banks that I've used. It's super, super easy to have all your stuff in one, and it also helps you set aside money for your quarterly estimated taxes. And number 4 is Notion. Notion is what I use to plan out my projects and due dates and write things like scope documents that I can share out with my clients. It's really easy to send out a link to something even if they're not in my Notion workspace, and just have them comment on it or view it. And it's just a lot easier than using a bunch of different tools in one, because you can add in images, you can even add in videos or GIFs, and you can add spreadsheets all sort of in line. So you only need one tool to accomplish all of those things. Let us know in the comments what tools you can't live without as a designer and freelancer.